Hello friends, welcome to this session on telequiz. In this video, we will be learning important question answer related to tele, which will be very helpful for any interview on tele. Let's start. First question, which option is used to exit from tele? We use quit option to quit from tele or exit from tele. Second question, which shortcut key is used to view pictures in the tele? We can use F11 key for company pictures. Third question, to use the accounting pictures in tele, which shortcut key is used in the company's picture screen? We use F1 key. Fourth question, where we record all types of adjustment entries in the tele? We can use F7 general voucher for all type of adjustment entries. Which shortcut key is used to change the current period in the tele? We use Alt F2 to change financial year or current period. Sixth question, what kind of journal is used to transfer material from one warehouse to another warehouse? We can use stock journal to transfer material from one godown to another godown. We can use word warehouse or location also. Televault is security mechanism. Does the budget represent forecasting, estimation, assumption? All of these. Ninth question, what is the full form of TDS? Tax deducted at sources. 10th question, which shortcut key is used to enter the stock journal in tele? We use Alt F7 for stock journal. Which of the following is the report that is used to see the entries of each day? We use daybook. 12th question, in which menu you get the currency symbol? Company creation. In company creation menu we get currency symbol option. To use the statutory and taxation in tele, which shortcut key is used in the company pictures screen? We use F3. 14th question, with which of the following options can we get complete stock information? Stock summary. 15th question, what is the shortcut key used to display the list of inventory reports under the balance sheet? F9. Which shortcut key is used to view the configuration in the tele? F12. Which shortcut key is used to close the open company in tele? Alt F1. 18th question, if we buy any property on credit, what mode do they enter? Journal. What is the full form of CIN? Corporate Identity Number. Which shortcut key is used to select the company in the tele? F1. To use the inventory pictures in tele, which shortcut key is used in the company pictures screen? F2. Alias represents nickname, short name, code name, all of these. Answer is all of these. Which shortcut key is used to export data from any company in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet or in any other company? We can use Alt E. Which shortcut key is pressed to create a new company in the tele? We use Alt F3. 25th question, by which name is the default godown in tele? Main location. 26th question, which accounts in the tele are already maintained? First is case and second is profit and loss. 27th question, which key is pressed to post entries in the double entry accounting system instead of the single entry system in tele ERP 9? F12 key. 28th question, which shortcut key is used to print any report in the tele? Alt P. We use Alt P key to print any screen or any report. 29th question, what is the full form of TCS? Tax collected at sources. 30th question, to make a sales voucher in tele, you have to press F8 key. We use F8 key for sales voucher. On which topic you want to see more videos? Comment us below. Share this video with your colleagues. To see more such videos, subscribe to us. Myself, Dr. A.K. Jain, on behalf of my whole team, thank you to watch this video carefully and subscribe to the channel. We will meet soon on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.